Hi, David here with Tough Tractors. This is a Yanmar YM1610D. 3-cylinder diesel. Has a shuttle shift, meaning that you don't have to push the clutch to shift the gears. You just move this lever up, down, wherever you want it as you're driving without pushing the clutch. So if you're doing a lot of in and out, stuff like that, you're putting in reverse and forward a lot, it's really nice. You don't have to push the clutch to do that. Tractor's really nice shape. I mean, look at the paint on it. Somebody asked me the other day, hey, do you Photoshop these? They can't be looking like that unless you painted them. And nope, this is how I get them. I don't Photoshop. You can see some of the imperfections here, but they're nice. I don't buy junky tractors. These are nice tractors. Pretty sure it's original paint. Nice and shiny. Somebody took care of this thing. They probably waxed it, kept it in a garage or a shed. It's got the brand new 4-foot bucket on it. New hydraulics, joystick controller. Nice shape. Tires look good. Front, the rear, really nice shape. I know the headlights work on it. It's got low hours on it, 670 hours. You know, these tractors will get over 10,000 hours without you having to do any type of engine work. So that's a lot of years on this tractor that you still have to go. You see it's got 3 gears plus a creeper gear. And then your shifting gears, it's got 3, so that's 4 times 3, that's 12 forwards, 4 reverse. This thing will go, I don't know, I'm guessing probably 20-25 miles an hour. And then if you put it in the creeper gear, that's C and 1, it'll go slower than you can actually walk comfortably. I mean, it's slow. You can actually you can put it in there and go get lunch and come back, and it'll only be 20 feet away. Anyhow, shown with it's got a brand new seat. That's the 4-wheel drive lever there. As everybody knows, that says 4-wheel drive on and off. It's got the 3-speed PTO. Locking differential right there. Like you're going to really need that on a 4-wheel drive. Left and right brakes. It's got the throttle on the floor and on the side here. Shown here with the optional 4-foot J-bar scraper, box scraper. We have brand new box scrapers. We have used tillers. We've got brand new brush hogs. The brush hogs and the box scrapers are made in the USA. I have post hole diggers coming in again, brand new. Good. Look under the hood here. Pretty clean. Somebody took pretty good care of it, except for one thing right here. What did they do? It's got that overflow cap on it, and I know those things wear out. That thing, you can get that for, I think it's like 13 bucks online. Anyhow, other than that, really nice condition. It's been completely serviced, all the fluids changed, changed the oil filter, the hydraulics. See right there, it's got the new filter on it. Go ahead and start it up. rust to it. That's pretty smooth. Brand new battery in it. No smoke. That's the horn there. It almost works. Anyhow, that's it. It's a Yanmar YM1610D. Good looking tractor. Again, that loader will lift up over about 7.5 feet. You can fill it up with concrete. It's going to lift it as long as you have something heavy on the back to counterbalance it. So if you want to see this tractor, see other tractors that we have, go onto our website, ToughTractors.com, ToughTractors.com.